Dr. B.T. Gandhimadi, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce Computer Applications, V.V. Vanneperumal College for Women, Virudhunagar. I already discussed about the how to crack the data by using Excel. Already we have seen in the first video. This is the second one. So in this video, we have to use the Excel sheet with very useful basic tools to crack the data. The method is sorting and filtering. We have to use sorting method or filter option. In this Excel sheet, there is a filter option which is available in the data tab. We have to use the filter option in whole sheet. In this, the rank, there is a symbol, triangle symbol is applied in after the filtering process. We have to select rank 1 and rank 2, rank 3 respectively. Okay. Then if we select the rank 1, there is a 5 members or give the ranks as 1. So in this I counted that the rank 1 appears 5 times. The rank 2 appears 6 times. Just like that we have to use the filter option. I take the responses as 30. So you have to make it as a 30. So we can use the countif function also. Already we have discussed in the first video. Then how to convert the row to column in Excel. We have the detail in the previous slide. We have the details of rank 1, respondents 5, 6, 9. So we have to convert it into row into column, column into row. So first method 1, we have to use the paste special method. You have to select the columns and right click where you want to paste the column. Then click the paste special used in the Excel and click transpose. In that you have to, it is appeared that transpose. You have to click it. So, okay, click OK. The row can be converted into column, column can be converted into row. Second method is use the transpose formula. We have to use the transpose formula. The formula is started with equal to. So equal to transpose. What are all the cells? So first you have to copy the original data, original table, and then you have to make it as a transpose. It auto converts to the row into column. This is an example for that. In this we have a say strongly agree as a column, but we have to convert it into column. That is, this is the row, strongly agree. The keywords, that is the points are in row, that is column wise they have classified. Saves time, secure, widely accepted. These are all given as the columns, but we have need for just like this. That is, we have rows. We want in rows. Secure saves time as the first row, secure as the second row, just like that. So we have to make it. The formula we have written is transpose of K7. This is the K, this is the 7. So we have to give as the K7 to Q2. This is Q12, the 12th Qth column, then 12th row. So we have specified as a in formula. So it is automatically converted. Then Likert scale analysis. In the previous slide we have known about the strongly disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree. This is the Likert scaling. Likert scaling is normally Likert scaling, 7-point scaling, 5-point scaling, 3-point scaling. In your project you have to use 5-point scaling. It is a best one. So first represents the strongly disagree. Second represents disagree. Third represents neutral. Fourth. Then we have to count the values already. Saves time, strongly disagree 7, agree 10. So according to this table, we have to give the inferences just like that. Saves payment is a time saving. So majority of the respondents gives the highest score for strongly agree. Then secure. In the previous slide, strongly, which is the highest one. In this slide, secure, disagree, so strongly agree has the same value. So we have to give the mixed opinion. So some of the respondents are trust that, but other remain it is not acceptable. Then widely accepted. This is also uncertainty and lack of awareness. So there is a possibility to based on the region or availability. So just like that, you have to give the inferences for the Likert scaling analysis. Elderly difficulty. Most probably, many elderly people face the difficulty of using digitally payment. So that only the majority of the respondents feels that. Then easy to use. Many users did not find it easy to use. In this needs assistance, we have to give us they do not need assistance, but they need the help. Then respondents feel digital payments are useful and time saving, but security and usability are still in concerns. So according to the opinions given by the respondents, the final analysis, awareness and training program, especially for the elderly and first time users, are essential to increase the adoption. Then there is a digital divide. As soon as the mixed responses are confidence users other than hesitant and unsure. Weighted ranking method. Next method is weighted ranking. In your project work, you have to use percentage analysis. In the previous video, we have discussed about the percentage analysis. In this video, we have to see about the weighted ranking method. This is the very, very important one. So the participants are rank the options 1 to 5. First rank is given as a 5 point. Second rank is given as a 4, 3, 2. When you get 5 statements. Then average ranks are calculated to find the top preference. From this, just like that, you have to use COUNTIF formula or filter option to find whether the rank 1 is given as how many members give as a 5, 6, just like that. From this also, you have to use the transpose method to convert the row into column. In this first example, the table is given as that is UPI, debit card, internet banking, mobile wallets. These are all given and the headings are given in columns. But rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, these are all given in row. So we have to convert into rows into column to row. Then you have to calculate. I assigned 5 statements. So for first rank, I have to give 5 marks. So 5 into 5, 25. For second rank, I give the 4 marks. So 6 into 4, 24. For third rank, 5 into 3. Just like that. 11 into 2, then 3 into 1. So this is the table. You got the table of weighted ranking. These are the weights. So you have to make it total. Come to this point. Then make a total, that is 89. You have to arrive 25 plus 24 plus 15 plus 22 plus 3. You got a weightage 89. You have to compare these weights. That is 89 in 86, 95, 85, 95. So in this 95 got the first rank. So internet banking and QR code scanning is got the first rank. So most of the respondents give the importance to internet banking and QR code scanning. Then we are assigning the second rank also. First rank got 2 ranks. So first and second is gone. So third rank is got by the UPI, that is Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. Then next one, basic tools to crack data. In this, we have to know about the chart, bar chart, pie chart. Any one we can classify. In this, main thing is bar chart is very, very important to display your results in clear manner. So you have to take this table and you go to the insert. You have to insert the chart, bar chart, then you have to give the details, that is chart title, then strongly agree, then you can display the numbers which are in the values, that is strongly disagree 7, strongly disagree is this here. So by using the data table designs, you can design your table and design your chart according to your wish. Thank you.